And now would like to discuss whether Galileo Galilei is hero. What happened to Galileo Galilei? So now we shall discuss whether Galileo Galilei was a hero or not. For this, I would like to help you. You just write in your page, if you got a page, write in your page. So just get a page and divide the page into 3 sections. In first section, write Galileo Galilei is a real hero. Galileo Galilei is a hero. Just you can write one paragraph about this. Mean to say, our question is, in MA English, we are doing MA English, and in MA English PU course, examiner asks questions. He asks questions whether Galileo Galilei is a protagonist, hero of the plays, not a hero of the plays, or tragic hero according to new tragedy. So segmentize your papers 1, 2 and 3. Write Galileo is the hero. Galileo Galilei not a tragic hero. Tragic hero according to new tragedy. So now I explain one by one. Andrea, who was student of Galileo Galilei, he said, unhappy is the land who breeds new hero. Upon this, Galileo said, he responses, unhappy is the land who needs hero. Andrea, who was a student, who was against this, Galileo's recants, because he surrenders and he accepted the proposals of the Roman Catholics and Inquisitions, and he accepted that he is no more going to write against Bible and church. According to Bible, they take allusion from the book of the